it is important to start brushing the child's teeth. Whether you use a toothpaste or not is besides the point. But the mechanical motion of brushing your child's teeth is extremely important. Now please take note of these pictures. All of these pictures are pictures of teethers. They are not toothbrushes. What do we look for in a toothbrush that we want to use for our child? It should have a small head and it should have extra soft bristles. This is in the beginning when the child's teeth have just come out. Within 6 months, we have to change the type of toothbrush. Also, what kind of toothpaste? Very commonly I am asked, what kind of toothpaste should we be using? Most parents go for non-fluoridated toothpaste. But in a country where 60% of children are getting cavities, it's very important to use fluoridated toothpaste. India is not a fluoridated country. There are few pockets of areas where the fluoridation in the water is very high. But say a city like Bombay or Delhi, there is no fluoride in the water. So it's very important for us to use fluoridated toothpaste. And we're looking for a toothpaste that has 1100 to 1500 ppm of fluoride. Also, it is important to note that you cannot use this toothpaste like you use regular toothpaste. You have to use it at this young age, you have to use it in a rice grain amount. That is all. So up to 2 years, you use as much as a rice grain, and after 2 years, you use it as much as a pea size. It's very important that you're able to see the child's teeth when you are brushing. Please consider that if you have not been able to observe yourself brushing your child's teeth, then you have not done it properly. So it's extremely important that you do, stabilize the child when you are brushing their teeth. Make them lie down, or you can sit with another person, sit knee to knee with another person and put the child in between the two of you all and then brush the teeth. Or you put the child's head in your lap. But it's always, always, always important that you lift the child's lips and cheeks to see the teeth when you are brushing the teeth. If you can see, that means you have done a good job.